Hey everyone, how are you? James here from Synergetic. This time I'm here with a quick tutorial to do with Metricool and Make.com. We've released an app for Make.com that allows you to automate your social media scheduling. If you don't know about this, feel free to check the links in the video description. We'll teach you how to purchase, install, and set up a connection to this app. But the reason for this video today is it's a customer request and it's to do with a really cool evolving need that we have, which is how to cross-post a video URL across these different social channels here. So I've got like one media URL here, and I want to post it to TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Um, the issue at the moment is that it requires a stable link to a video. Well, Metricool is pretty fussy when it comes to like what kinds of media URL links get posted on its platform. So we developed this new module, Upload New Media, which takes whatever like raw public URL that you have. You might have it from a Google Drive, you might have it in a Dropbox, you might have it somewhere else. This standardizes that link, uploads it to the Metricool servers, and then it allows you to use it in your follow-up schedule post steps here today. So that's that. In order for you to use this workflow, I'm going to assume that you've got a Metricool account. If you haven't, they've got an awesome promo at the moment. I'll include the key in the description. It allows you to get like 2 weeks free Metricool for you to try social media scheduling. I'll assume that you've set up your social media accounts inside your Metricool, and I'll also assume that you have a public video link to the file that you want posted across these channels here. Um, and I'll also assume that you've purchased our app already. Like I said, check out the video description. We've got a 10% off promo going at the moment across all of our products, not just Metricool. And there'll be a video attached to that that allows you to see how to install and connect it and get started with it. So with those assumptions aside, we can have a look at this scenario here. So I'm going to assume you've got your video link hosted on a Google Drive file. However, there are also other ways in which you could get a public video URL, or even generate a video. We've just released an app add-on for Cast Magic. If you haven't heard of Cast Magic, it's like an AI content repurposing platform. So if you're already having like coaching calls, if you're already like running a podcast, it can take the audio, it can take the video from that, and use AI to make it, or to repurpose it and stretch it into other kinds of content. So might be like a blog post, might be a social media post in this context here. So you can check out that if you need help like generating post content. Might also want to have a look at XAI. This is a brand new released app from us. X, formerly Twitter, have an AI product and they've just released API access, which basically means that you can use AI that is connected to social media platforms. And that means that the content you can generate can be tapped into real-time conversations. And so you can craft really relevant messages and post it across these channels here. Another thing that you might want to look at, if you haven't got like any video material already, you might have some more like text-based material. So it's like the other way around. You might have something like a script or something. You could feed it into HeyGen, and HeyGen, if you're not familiar with it, is like an AI avatar video creation platform here. So you feed it a script, it spits out like a real like lifelike human recording, um, and you could use this kind of video content to post it across your socials. Um, Other than that, another way you could sort of like power up your workflows here is with Copy AI. It's a AI copywriting tool. And so you might plug this in just before you do the schedule post step. You might want to have an AI specifically trained on TikTok that helps craft a the post content or the text for this particular module. Likewise, you could recreate that across Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or wherever else. So you might want to plug this in before. If you want something a bit more custom, you could actually even plug in any old AI. I'd recommend the Open Router, which gives you access to hundreds, if not thousands, of open source and otherwise LLMs. And so you could create like a custom post just before scheduling your content here, as opposed to having like one big generic message here and posting the same message across every channel. You could make it really like personalized. So yeah, feel free to check out these apps. They're all on our website. We got a whole bunch more that you can see and you can filter down here. Otherwise, I'll give you like a preview into these steps. So let's say you've got your video posted here, run the module. You'll want to get the web content link here, and you'll want to sort of paste a URL or a URL similar to it. Make sure that your web content link, by the way, is publicly shared. Otherwise, this metrical module won't be able to read it. But you'll just pipe that in here, and then I'm going to copy this link and just sort of like show you what the metrical upload new media module spits out. So if I just paste that in there. This gives you a like a metrical specific link here. And this is the link that you are going to pipe into your schedule post modules here. So I haven't set up all of these accounts yet. I don't think I've set up Instagram, but I'll show you what it looks like to post across to TikTok, to Facebook and YouTube. But before I do, a lot of people are sort of curious what's inside of this app here. So I'll just do like a quick show and tell of what it is capable of. You got brand IDs. If you're familiar with Metricool, you can post across a number of different brands, and brands are sort of like a superset of providers. So you might have, company A has a TikTok account, has an Instagram account. Company B or brand ID B might have like a YouTube and a Google reviews account. So it's super powerful that you can post across multiple brands at once. But let's say we're posting to one brand and we are posting specifically to TikTok for this module. We've got settings here like, privacy settings. Do we want to disable comments? Do we want to disable Stitch, Duet, so on and so forth? I've set a, publication date for the TikTok post to be 2 days from now. This is what I'm talking about, where you can start piping in AI generated content as well, unique to this platform. And then this is the step that we're talking about today. This is you piping in that metrical output link, not the Google Drive link. You can upload a thumbnail URL. You can have like the first comment, post the text in there, set it as a draft or a shortener. I'll show you quickly what it looks like in Facebook, if it lets me. Nope, for whatever reason, it's not letting me show that particular module right now. But let's have a look at YouTube in the meantime. So YouTube settings include, you can do short form vertical videos. You could do the standard YouTube video, define the category, define whatever title and privacy settings here. You can set tags. And then I can actually, before I post that, I'll have to make sure it's got a publication date. Time zone. I'll just put in any old time zone. Actually, well, again, content text. Media that we're going to pipe in is that data. Cool. So YouTube setup. I'll set up the Facebook one from scratch. Metricool. Okay, cool. So with Facebook, you got post type, you got post or reel, and then the title of it. I'll just post a reel for now, paste in that publication date. And then I'll pipe in data. Nice. And then pretty much the same settings as the other ones here. All right, so let's give this a go and let's see if it posts across these three social channels here successfully. Nice. Looks like it's worked. You got like, post data for each of these platforms, but I'll show you what it looks like inside Metricool. So nice. Look at that. Automagically, we've got three posts all linking to the same video reel that you can play. Sweet. All right. If there's any setting that you use a lot inside Metricool that you don't see inside of these modules here, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Likewise, if you have any questions, any modules you want to see in Metricool, or any apps you want to see integrated with Metricool, we would love to do a demo or show you how you can do that for your business. Like I said, this is a game changer for like AI automation based businesses or social media marketing companies. Super, super cool what you can do now with video and content repurposing. And I wish you much success with your business. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye.